In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black background glitch and error when copying and pasting images into Adobe Illustrator and or Photoshop. Okay, so we have our artboard right here. So what we want to do is we want to go to Google. So here is our image that we want to copy and paste into Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to try to copy the image. So I tabbed over to my artboard and I want to copy and paste that in. And here we have a very big image, but there is a black background. And obviously, when you're looking for a transparent background, you don't want this black background. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this problem. So we're back to our image here, and instead of copying the image in, which is probably the easier thing to do, we're going to save image as, okay, just the case. So we're going to save it as Nike logo transparent background. I already have that here, just to test here. Hit save. Override. Yes. Okay. So we're going to go back to Adobe Illustrator. We're going to put that to the side. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open, go to pictures, Nike logo, and there you have it. The same big old Nike logo that we had before, but now there's no black background. And that's all you have to do. I guess it's another step besides just copying and pasting it, but no one wants that black background when you're trying to have a transparent photo, especially when the Nike logo itself is black. So let me know if you guys enjoyed and thought this was helpful. I definitely thought that it would be, since it took me a while to figure this out. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you want to see next time. Thank you.